1,000 years later.
Yes guys, I finally got a drawing tablet. This is going to be so cool. I will be unboxing my drawing tablet and checking this out today. If you guys also want to buy it, I will be sharing the link in the description. Also, thank you to all my friends who have subscribed since last week. Be proud, you made a 6-year-old girl happy. Anyways, back to the video.